Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. We are on Cordelion, Kedaro Station. Last video, we forged the Dimensionator, so we now have a Dimensionator in our hands. Now, I've decided, because I got nothing else better to do but sit around and think about crap, I'm going to hang out here a little bit. We're going to do a little exploring video of Cordelion and see if we can't get... There's only 2 more collectibles. There's 2 more gold bolts, and there is 1 piece of armor. When the piece of armor, we know where that's at. That's in the little rift that we found in the other dimension. I believe it's in the other dimension. So we're going to see if we can't get some of this stuff. I mean, all the enemies are gone except for maybe where one of the gold bolts are. There might be enemies there. Now, we have this. We haven't been here yet. I don't know if I can get there. And we have this over here, which has some ammo, I guess. Let's see it. Okay, so and we've got over here. Where's this place? Where's this place at? There's another. Oh, here's some ammo. Let's grab it. Okay. Where is this over here? This over here. Okay, we got some ammo here. No. This one here, right? This is the one we can clear up. Okay, right there. So let's see if we can make it out here. I think that's probably this. Are we gonna get a... We don't have a thing to get over there. Oh, and there's the gold bolt too. It's sitting over there. So, I'm thinking the thing to do is bust a move through one of these things here. The little, I don't know which is the best one to do. We bust this one or we bust this one. Which one should we bust? Let's go see Miss Zircon. That way we can ammo up. I think we got enough ammo. What do we got under ammo? We got this. I think we're full. Looks like we're pretty full. Yeah, we're full of ammo. Okay, so I just got to decide which is the easiest way, or which is not the easiest way, which is the best way, I should say. Neither one's going to be easy, probably. Which one we got to bust up here? Which Blizon park we have to bust? Let's go bust this one first, since we're on this platform. Let's see what happens if we do this one. So what did that do for us? Guess we won't know till we go down there. Whoa, I couldn't turn that corner on. It just keeps sliding down. Sorry, dude. Alright, let's see. You can't go up. We want to go down. Here we go, this way. So... Okay, well there is a thing there. Will it come get me? Let's see. No, it won't. Huh. Why not? No power? This one here I can't get to either. Well, actually, there's a thing here. Let's do that. For what good that does me, I don't know. We can't get there from here. But it's funny because it has a little... Oh, there is a thing there though. How do I get close enough to use it? There's a little rift there. I can see it, but I can't seem to get close enough to use it. Is the rift still there? Okay, there's no rift there going this way, and there's no little raft or transport going there. Alright, let's go back. Oh, wait a minute, but I gotta get back. I probably have to go back to that station. Hold on a second, let's look again. I can't get the rift to activate from here. Maybe from there? I didn't see it activate when I was there. Okay, let's go back to the other side again. Oh shit. I didn't want to do that. I didn't know the elevator was there. I should have known, but I didn't. Alright. Okay, so this other thing is over here. I want to do that. I'm not going to do that right now. We got a whole bunch of stuff to cover in here. This I can't get to, I don't think. This is blocked off here. Let's go back up. Okay. Now that I know what I'm doing. Or now it appears that I might know what I'm doing. Alright, you got that? Hang on to that. Let's go back over here. Let's go back this way. And that's not what I wanted to do. I have to go the roundabout way. Okay. We just got to do what the game lets us do. This will transport us to where? The Rubion Forge. Okay, let's go this way. And see if we can get that little rift thing to open up from here. Everybody's still running from me. I didn't do anything, dude. Because right now that's got protective covering, so I gotta go back upstairs again. I think that's what I have to do. I gotta go up here. Everybody's running. Okay, so now the rift down where? Can't see it, it's over here somewhere. Alright, we gotta slide down the hill again, which means I'm pretty sure I can't get back up that hill. That's what this is all about. Right? It won't let me up the hill probably. Correct? Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. Alright, well, let's do this. Hey, what's that? That's the Krieger bear. Alright, found him. But I still can't get the rift to activate from here. I don't even see it from here. Should I commit suicide and see if I can get it to spawn? Well, let's see. Aha! I did get it to spawn. And there's a bolt. Nice.
This is what they find.
Okay, now the tricky part's going to be to get back. Will this thing just take me back? It will. I want to come get me. Alright. So now, I guess the best thing to do is just go back down on the elevator, because that looked like... See, that's interesting. That makes it look like I was never there, even though I was there, wasn't I? That's that one. Well, where's the one on the other side? Let's see what's on the other side. Oh, that's where my ship is. But we can't get there, can we? There's no way to... There's no way to get there from here. And we can't get to that one. Huh, that's interesting. And there's no little flying saucer that goes there. From there to there. No, there's no way to get to that. In this dimension. Suppose I could try a little suicide mission again. Because it looks like there might be a... I don't see anything out there that's worthwhile. Let's try it. What the hell? See what happens. Nothing. Okay. That didn't work. Now where are we? Okay, we're back here. And I wanted to go down. Yeah, we want to go down on the elevator, I think. Because that was where most of the spaces that I haven't been to yet. That's pretty funny. Alright, let's go this way. Come on. Here we go. Alright, now what is this here? Where does this elevator go, I wonder? Should I take this one? Let's see where it goes. We can always get back on and go back up. Where are we? Yeah, we don't want to be here. There's nothing here. We've covered this whole area pretty good. There's just nothing down here. Alright, can we go back up here? I hope so. We can. Okay. Kind of a Bloodborne Elden Ring elevator. Alright, let's go to the other side over here. And we'll go down that elevator. Alright, let's go this way. Let's see what we can see down here. We have the rift, or whatever it's called, the anomaly or the rift. It's not a rift, it's a... Figure it out when we get down here, because it'll be on the map when we get down here. What is it called again? A pocket dimension. We could go try that. I mean, I don't... how do I get to that? That is... this way. This way?
Ratchet, Getters! Oh, welcome back! How are you two doing?
Not too bad, junkie.
How do you get over there? This way.
How about yourself?
Oh, you know me. Too blessed to be stressed.
Must be this way. Yeah, it's over here. There it is. So let's see what kind of insanity this is. Alright, so... I I don't really think this is a viable solution to this, but because these things don't stay open long enough for my abilities. Because I gotta get them. You can't get them while you're jumping here. Let's see. I can't get the ones way over there. Oh, I did get one. Nope. Okay, well that didn't take long. I can't even reach that one over there. I don't know how you do this. What other weapon do I have? Do I have a more precise weapon? I don't think I do. There's Ricochet? The Ricochet. It's only got 8 bullets in it though. The Executor. What about that? That kind of worked, didn't it? Nope. Alright, let's see. There's got to be a way to do this. That one blast did pretty good though. That opened up a bunch of them. I can get these like right here maybe. Okay, we made it this far. All right. I can't get those ones that are really far away. Okay, we gotta get those ones farther away this time. Okay, what do we got? Ooh, what about the buzzsaw? Oops. Whew, I made it. That's crazy. It only took, what, 3 tries? That's not too bad. Okay. Okay. What do we get? We got the Captain Starshield chest. Captain Starshield chest, huh? Where's that? Here we go. What does that do? This is 10% XP gained, so I'm almost got all of it. So if you get 10% for each piece. I don't know if that stacks or not. And then we got the bolt, which means I got another thing probably. Did I? No, photo pack mode. Confetti craniums off. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. All right, let's go this way. And where are we? I can just jump down here. I can't. Don't fall off. I don't need any ammo. Well, maybe I do. I need some ammo. Let's see. Yeah, I did. Buzz blades. Okay, well that worked out pretty well. Alright, so let's explore this area. What do I have left? I have one bolt left. It might be in here, because you can't get in this room. Unless I can get in it in a different dimension. Let's see. can, but let me see something. Hold on. No, it's a different map altogether. Holy crap. Yeah, it's not quite the same map, is it? Very difficult. Yeah, it's a different map. Interesting. Unless... let's go this way. This what I want to do? No, I want to go the other way. This way. I want to see what happens when I trip the other. How the hell they all run? That's pretty funny. Which way do I want to go? I think I want to go this way. No, I want to go this way. This didn't help me. I guess I can go down, right? Okay, go down. And I want to go that way, but I can't get in over there either, can I? Nope, it's still blocked off. I remember that. I tried that. I tried to go over there and I couldn't do it. But, wait a minute. There's a little thing over there. How do I get over there? I'm pretty sure I can't get over there. Yeah, this is blocked. So, how did I get in there? I don't know how I got in there.
The interior decorators have...
Uh-oh. Enemies. How about that? Alright, well, let's, how do I get over there? This way. Okay. I didn't think I could make it through here. Or maybe I made it through the winter. Oh my guys. It's so funny, man. That was worth it. Whatever that cost me, that was worth it. What do we got over here? This is just more ammo. Glove of Doom ammo. Alright, where are we headed? This way? Like, I am going the right way, okay. So I was surprised to see those guys respawn. Miss Zircon is here. Okay. What can I've got...
Thanks for choosing Miss Zircon.
Ooh, I can buy the Cold Snap now, can't I? But I'm gonna wait. We're gonna wait for a little bit. Cold Snap might be good. We'll see.
Thanks for shopping, cutie pie.
Okay, let's see what this does for us here. Oh, my guys came with me. Yeah, there they are. One of them. All right, so now where are we? Okay, I can't go that way. I'm just kind of trapped in this room, aren't I? I got one guy here. One guy came. Oh no, this is the underwater stuff, isn't it? Yeah, this is all the underwater. We can go in there in a minute. I want to go here. Will it open this door for me? No, we can't open this door. That's where I want to go. And it won't let me in there. Yeah, that's the stuff that's blocked off. That must be another mission. And there might be... What I'm looking for might be in there. I don't know. And what am I need... All I need is a gold bolt. That's all we need left, right? It's one gold bolt. I bet it's in that room. We can go look in the underwater stuff, I guess. Yeah, let's try it. Uh-oh. Alright, you guys are asking for it. It's this way. Okay, so there's something this way. I don't know what, but... Oh, it's just a, I see. A dead end over here, eh? Can I get over there? I can. Okay. That's all that was over here, eh? Okay, let's go back this way then. Come on. How do you... Here it was, I saw it. Okay, go this way. More crabs? I really kind of want to go off to the left over here. I don't know how you do that. Maybe this way. How do I get up there? Let's see. Go this way? Yeah, we can go this way. Okay, that's where I just came from. Okay, so oh wait, I can go up the wall here, eh? Alright, well let's see what that does for me. Interesting. Oh wait, I see the gold bolt. Man, oh lie, there it is. Okay. So we're covered. Can I get out of here pretty easily? I don't know. I don't know where this goes, but... And we're right back. Cool. That covers it, right? Yeah, we got it all. Okay, awesome. Back to the ship. Alright. How much raritarium do I have? Let's see.
Let me know when you find something you
16, okay. Oh man, they're back again. Okay.
like. Hey, honey.
Let's go with a nail gun. We're going with the buzz blade because we gotta level that up. Interior decorator's back.
The interior decorators have returned.
I have returned.
But they didn't.
Finished them off, guys. Good job. Now, so these guys are going to respawn in here, I guess. That's what it looks like. Anything in here? Can't see. Okay, so I guess I can go this way. And then go... I just gotta get out of here now. I can go to the transporter there, wherever that is, I guess. I don't know. Oh, here's some ammo. Is that where I want to go? That's where I want to go. Right? Looks like it. I'm sorry, man. I'm gonna laugh at that every time I use it. That's so funny. All these little guys running around. Doom guys. Alright, let's see. Where does that transporter take me? Where is that? Is that over here? That's over here. Would it take me to my ship? Warp to the ship? Yep. And we're here. Alright, so back again at the ship. We've cleaned this up now. We've got everything. Well, I mean, there's probably some raritarium somewhere hidden, but it's not important at this point. See what my collectibles says. Should have nothing left on collectibles, do we? Music pack. I got another music pack. Okay, so we got 2 music packs now. I guess I got to go back there and play some music or something at Zerky's. Alright. So, we'll go on our next adventure. I don't know where that is, but we'll get that as soon as we start the next video. So, if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.